Hello everyone and welcome to my videos. My name is Zaki Alfikri and in these videos I would like to present to you a paper titled Technology-Based Google Classrooms in English Business Writing Class. This paper was written by Mem Diviania Priyanti and her colleagues in Universitas Negeri Padang. So without further ado, let us dive into the papers. Okay, now we move to the introduction parts. Here, Mem Diviani said that in the era of 4.0, technology has developed rapidly, becoming an important part of many sectors, including education. Teaching media and learning tools becoming integrated with digital systems, informations, and technologies. In higher education, technologies are used to support teaching and learning process in terms of effectiveness and accessibility. One example of the most widely known tools that is used in learning process is Google Classrooms, which is a learning management system provided by Google. Previous studies have shown that this case has been successfully implemented in science, engineering, and social science departments. These studies also reported positive results in terms of ease of use and the usefulness. However, there is still a lack of research in terms of the use of Google Classrooms in language departments. Therefore, this research was conducted to confirm whether Google Classroom is also suitable and effective in language departments. Okay, and now we move to the research objective. Of course, the objective of this research is to examine the implementations of Google Classrooms as a learning management system in language departments, especially in English business writing class. Specifically, this study aims to find out whether Google Classrooms can improve effectiveness and efficiency in teaching and learning process in business writing class, and to find out whether each features support students and teachers in classrooms activities. Okay, now we move to the research methodology. The research used a descriptive qualitative method. The study was conducted in an English business writing class placed at Polytechnic Negeri Padang. There were two parallel classes, namely Class 2A and Class 2B. With a total of 44 students, both classes were taught by the same lecturers and followed the same syllabus. The study was carried out for 1 semester. Data collections were used several techniques, including classroom observations through field note, questionnaires, and interview with both the students and the lecturers. To analyze data, the researchers used learning management system features as the indicators. These features included material delivery, assignment submissions, communications, assessments, feedback, and record keepings. The collected data were then analyzed descriptively by the researchers. And now we move to the findings or the results of this research. The result of the study that Google Classroom brought positive impacts in English business writing class. First, Google Classroom helped the teachers manage the class more effectively. Instructions, materials, and assignment could be shared easily through both classes at the same time. And second, students were able to access learning materials such as links, documents, videos, anytime, anywhere. This made the learning process more flexible and organized. Third, assignment submissions become more effective. The teachers could set deadlines, track who is already submitted and who did not submit their tasks. And teacher could give feedback directly through Google Classrooms. In addition, feedback and revisions process would improve. Students receive corrections codes, comments, and motivational feedback from the teachers, which encourage them to revise their writings and improve their skills. Google Classrooms also supported paperless learning, as all materials, assignments, and scores were stored digitally and could be accessed whenever needed. And now we move to the discussions. Although Google Classroom has brought many positive impacts, of course we must pay attention to these several things. First, although the results were generally positive, the study also found some limitations. For example, midterms and final examinations were still conducted using traditional pen and paper methods. According to the teachers, this was necessary to assess students' handwritings, spelling, grammar, and the idea of organizations without automatic corrections tools. In addition, interactions among students was limited because most communications occurred through text-based activities. These reduced face-to-face interactions and speaking practice. These findings show that technology cannot fully replace the teachers. The effectiveness of Google Classrooms depends directly on the teachers' creativity and decisions in using the technology. So, based on this, we know that the teachers' creativity is also need to be part of this Google Classroom usefulness. And guys, we now move to the conclusions, which is the final part of the papers. In conclusions, the study shows that Google Classrooms is suitable and effective for use in language departments, especially in this matter, English Business Writing class. It improves efficiency, organizations, feedback, and record keeping, and also supports paperless learning. However, technology should be used wisely, and the teacher still plays a crucial role in creating interactions and deciding which activities should use technologies and which activities should not use technologies. Overall, Google Classrooms is a helpful supporting tool, but successful learning still depends on the teachers and students. Alright guys, now thank you so much for watching these videos, and I hope that this video is useful to you. I have attached the paper links in the description so that you can read it yourself. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm Zakir Al Fikri, signing out.